Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. The housing market has been on a wild ride lately, and with rising interest rates and economic uncertainty, there are many that are wondering, is real estate market crashing? Is real estate market crash coming soon? We get all this every time, right? And the prices are not helping either. In today's video, I will separate facts from fiction, a lot of fiction out there, and explore the likelihood of a housing market crash. I will also provide insight to help you navigate the current market. Don't listen to all the naysayers. So whether you are a homeowner, potential buyer, or just curious or an investor, you want to check this out. So let's get started. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate in the DMV area or any parts, contact me. So decoding the crash talk. The crash talk is everywhere. The market is going to crash, but there are market indicators we need to watch out for if market is going to crash. So let's analyze some of these key factors that might influence a potential housing crash. If a housing crash is going to happen, these are the factors that we need to look at. Inventory level. If we get a significant increase in unsold homes in the market, homes that are not selling, this will put a downward pressure on prices, because when you put a house in the market it's not selling, you have to reduce your price. So when we get a lot of that, market is likely going to crash. However, the current inventory that we have right now remains low in many areas. This is also same thing in DMV area. The second factor we want to look at is the mortgage rates. So rising interest rates can make buying a home more expensive. Of course, last year it was about 8%, now it's about 6.something%. When this happened, makes it more expensive, buying a home more expensive, which will lead to a slowdown in the market. Well, we saw that in December. However, unlike the 2008 crisis, where the lending standards are much stricter today, they are much, much stricter today. So the economic conditions that we have that can also affect housing crash, a recession. A recession could trigger a decrease in housing demand. If we have a recession, nobody wants to buy. They just stay put. However, the overall U.S. economy is showing strong sign of resilience. We have low unemployment right now. The figure that just came out is about 3.5 unemployment. That is low. Very low. So, is it going to crash or correction? Are we going to have real estate crash or correction? Understanding the difference, while a dramatic housing crash seems unlikely in the near future, I don't have the crystal ball, but based on what we have, it just seems unlikely. A correction, however, is what is going to happen. A correction with some price adjustment is a possibility. So when we're talking about market correction, what does that look like? What does a market correction look like? Well, it means slower home price growth, slower home appreciation compared to the recent boom. Last year you buy a house, within a few months you have equity. So now we're going to have more correction, means we're going to have more balanced market condition with fairer negotiation between buyers and sellers. That means sellers are now paying closing costs, right? Unlike pre-pandemic. However, it is important to remember what I'm saying. Housing market is local, very local. Condition can vary significantly depending on your specific region. If I talk about DMV area, our market, even now, with the high interest rate, is so hot that it's unbelievable. So before you make your decision, you want to research your local market trend. It's crucial to do that so that you can make informed decision. Don't base your decision on national trend. So how do you weather the market? If you are a homeowner, a buyer or investor? How do you weather this market, right? So here are some actionable tips for you to navigate the current market. So if you're a homeowner, consider your long-term goal, right? If you're planning to stay in your home for a while, market adjustments here and there is really not going to affect you that much. Don't stress it. Market correction is okay. It may not be the end of the world for you. It should not be a major concern. If you're a buyer, be patient and focus on finding the right property within your price range, within your budget. Don't listen to all the noise. It can be very depressing, but don't rush to purchase due to fear of missing out. You want to buy because you are able to buy and you have the means to buy. If you're an investor, conduct your market research very well. Understand the risk involved and always consider alternative investment or your exit strategy. If you're investing, are you going to rent? Are you going to flip? You want to understand all those strategies before you get into it. So the housing market is complex and predicting its exact movement is challenging. There's a lot of noise, but predicting is very challenging. However, by staying informed and understanding the basics, and your options and seeking professional guidance will go a long way. Local guidance. You can definitely get a local guidance to make you make your decision for real estate journey. So you want to contact someone that is local rather than national news, right? All right. So are we going to have a crash? Not likely. What are we going to have? Correction, market correction. So all right. So leave a comment below with your thoughts on the current housing market. Are you concerned about a crash? Do you have a question? Just drop me a comment and I will definitely answer it. Until next time, this is KG. I'm a realtor in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. If you're looking to buy, sell, move in this market that is not going to crash or any market, please reach out to me. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel to get more updates on real estate in the DMV and all part of the union. Ciao.